Hey everyone, it's time to dive into an eye-opening new study that's raising serious concerns about something we all encounter daily: microplastics. You might have heard about microplastics in our oceans and food, but did you know they could be messing with our minds? Let's break it down. So, a recent study published in Big Shout Out to Huang and the team showed that microplastics can actually block blood flow in the brain. They used advanced laser imaging to spot microplastic-laden immune cells lodging in the blood vessels of mice brains, causing blockages similar to blood clots. Imagine that, tiny plastic particles gumming up the works in your brain's blood supply. And it doesn't stop there. The mice with microplastics in their blood showed poorer performance in movement, memory, and coordination tests compared to those who were microplastic-free. This suggests that their brain function was impaired. Think about it. These tiny particles can affect how well you move and think. Now here's something that really caught my attention. While the blockages cleared up within a month and the mice's cognitive function mostly returned to normal, researchers noticed behavioral changes that resembled depressive states. This could mean a possible link to not just cognitive impairment but also to neurological issues like depression, anxiety, strokes, and even cardiovascular disease. Of course, it's important to remember that this study was conducted on mice, which have differences from US humans in terms of immune systems and blood vessel sizes. So, the researchers emphasized the need for further studies using larger mammals or primates to better understand how this impacts us. Plus, the long-term effects of microplastics on our neurological and cardiovascular health remain a big question mark. One interesting detail: the size of the microplastics matters. Smaller particles were less likely to cause blockages than larger ones. For a quick recap, microplastics are those plastic fragments less than 5 millimeters in diameter. That's about the size of a sesame seed. The study suggests that microplastics disrupt tissue function indirectly by obstructing cells and interfering with local blood circulation, rather than directly penetrating tissues. So it's like these tiny invaders are causing chaos without even crossing the border into the brain tissues themselves. Alright, so what does this all mean? We clearly need more research to fully grasp how microplastics affect human health. But this study is a wake-up call. Our everyday exposure to microplastics might be doing more harm than we realize. It's something to think about next time you reach for that plastic bottle or bag. That's all for today. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep our brains and our planet healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on fascinating scientific discoveries. See you next time.